as family members, we can spend time with each other and really make an impact on each other's lives. And one of the reasons that God came down on the people of Israel in the Old Testament was because they failed to differentiate the difference between the holy and the profane, and the clean and the unclean. And we have this moral relativism today which makes everything gray. Nothing's right, nothing's wrong. How do we know what's right and wrong? Unless we get close to Him and get close to the book. You know, if you're married, the way you got close to your wife is you didn't just put her up on a book stand and look at her every now and then. Or your husband, you just didn't put him in a closet and then open the door every now and then and say, how are you? You related to them. You got to know them. You talked with them. You spent time with them. If they wrote you a letter, you read it over and over probably, or at least a couple times to try and read between the lines or see what was going on there. We have a Creator that wrote the best love letter to us ever. It's called the Bible. And it relates His plan for our lives. It relates who we are as men, who we are as women, who we are as children, who we are as fathers, mothers, brothers, sisters, friends, workers. It covers every area of life and every dilemma that we could possibly go through, and every area we could possibly go through. And the book in itself is amazing because it was written over a 1,500-year span on 3 different continents, 3 different languages, and by 40 different authors, and it comprises 66 books. But when you put all the books together, they flow perfectly. It totally harmonizes with this book, and it shows that there's one author.